How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. So in the series of maintenance checks to our 1997 Honda Foreman ATV, today's maintenance check is going to be the swing arm bearings. We're going to jack up the rear end now and see if I can do some sort of test on the swing arm bearings because I've had lots of problems with swing arm bearings on this bike, so I want to verify that they're good. Okay, so this is a quick examination of the swing arm bearings, which are located right there. They're in that housing. That's easy to see, with the great lighting that I have here. And there's one on that side, and there's one on this side. Right there. I think you can see that right there. Okay, so that's the two swing arm bearings. So we're going to try to jack up the rear end here and see if we can check what that swing arm bearing is like. The swing arm bearing, of course, is the bearing that connects the two rear swing arms on the frame that connects the rear axle so that it can pivot back and forth. When those go bad, then it makes everything go wonky on you. So what I'm going to try and do is jack the bike up, but from the middle, so that the back wheels hang loose. That way I can kind of wiggle them around. So I have my little jack here, and I'm going to try to position that as best I can underneath the middle of the bike to see if I can lift it up. So I have the jack away around the side here. Lift this up. And I want to lift it far enough so that the rear wheels get off the table. So now I know that these rear wheels are hanging loose. And what I want to do now is just wiggle this around a little bit. And I don't see any movement there. And those swing arm bearings look good and tight. So I don't think there's a problem with those. So that's good to know. Swing arm bearings. Whoever thinks of checking those. My swing arm bearing on this Honda went bad 2 times. One, it just wore out. Second time was my mistake because I didn't install it very well. I kind of jammed it when I was putting it in its little socket there. But anyways, because of that, I checked my swing arm bearing pretty regular, and you should do probably because swing arm bearings are important. Holds the rear end of your bike, and you don't want to lose your rear end. Only takes a sec to check it too, so do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and come back again for more maintenance checks on the Honda 1997 Foreman ATV. We'll talk to you.